Today's topic is once versus once. They are pronounced the same way but are used differently in English. Many people get confused about when to use this spelling and this spelling of once. In today's video, we will clear the confusion. We use this once spelled with letter C when referring to number of times that something happened. Number of time. So when something happens one time, we use once. We also use it to show that something happened in the past. Lastly, once can be used to replace when in a sentence. So this once is used when referring to number of times that something happened, when referring to something that happened in the past, or to replace when in a sentence. We use this once spelled with letter S when replacing a noun in a sentence to avoid repetition. So it is used to replace a noun in a sentence. It is the plural of one. So instead of saying, I love oranges, give me the ripe oranges, you can use once to replace oranges by saying, I love oranges, give me the ripe ones. Okay, now let's use this information to answer these questions so you can get clearer understanding. Okay, 1. These designs are too simple. We need more creative blank. In this part of the sentence, we have the word designs. And here we are also talking about designs. So instead of saying we need more creative designs, we say we need more creative ones. That means we have used it to replace the noun designs. 2. I have been to London only blank in my life. This sentence is talking about how many times I have been to London. So which of them do we use to refer to number of time? Once. I have been to London only once in my life. 3. The old buildings were replaced by modern blank. Here, the noun buildings is to be repeated here. So instead of repeating it, we use once. The old buildings were replaced by modern ones. 4. Blank, you understand this rule. You won't make mistakes again. Here, this sentence is supposed to have the word when. When you understand this rule, you won't make mistakes again. So instead of using when, we can use once. Once you understand this rule, you won't make mistakes again. 5. She was blank, the best dancer in the group. Here, we are talking about something that happened in the past. She used to be the best dancer in the group. So which of them do we use to refer to the past? Once. She was once the best dancer in the group. 6. I don't like these chairs. I prefer the wooden blank. In this sentence, this first part talks about chairs. And here we are to repeat chairs, wooden chairs. So to avoid repetition, we use once to replace the noun chairs. I don't like these chairs. I prefer the wooden ones. 7. He called me blank, but I missed it. Here the sentence is talking about the number of times that I was called. So which of them do we use to talk about number of times? This. Once. He called me once, but I missed it. 8. The white shirts are cheaper than the blue blank. Here we are to repeat the noun used in the sentence, shirts, blue shirts. So we use once to replace shirts. And this is the one with letter S. The white shirts are cheaper than the blue ones. Instead of saying blue shirts, we use ones to avoid repetition. 9. Blank the meeting ends. We will go for lunch. Here, the sentence is supposed to have when the meeting ends, but we can use once to replace it. The one with letter C. Once the meeting ends, we will go for lunch. 10. Those shoes are too tight. Try the bigger blank. Here, to avoid repetition, we use once, the one with letter S. Those shoes are too tight. Try the bigger ones. 11. I visited that museum blank when I was a child. The sentence is talking about the number of times that I visited museum. So which of the ones do we use to talk about number of times? The one with letter C. I visited that museum once when I was a child. 12. The early buses are faster than the later blank. Here we are to repeat the noun buses. So to avoid repetition, we use once, the one with letter S. The early buses are faster than the later ones. So instead of saying the early buses are faster than the later buses, we use once to replace it. 13. Blank you see him. Tell him to call me. Here, the sentence is talking about when. When you see him, tell him to call me. So to replace when, we use the ones that has letter C. Once you see him, tell him to call me. 14. These phones are outdated. The new blank are much better. What do you think about this one? Should we use once or once? Which of them can fit into this sentence? Figure it out and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a like and subscribe for more.